Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to discuss about the ship automation basics part 19. If you have missed part 1 to 18, please subscribe to our channel. In our channel we have created a playlist named Ship Automation Basics part 1 to 22. So in the part 19 we are going to discuss regarding the intrinsic safety features. Okay, so at the end of the session we will find the answers for the following question, that is, what are the different types of safety protection for the ship installation, how a Zener barrier is done for digital sensors, and how isolation barrier is done for analog sensors, and what are the sensor equipments which are designed for use in hazardous areas, and what are the international standard approvals. Okay, so in our discussions, okay, we might be using so many symbols and abbreviations for representing the instruments for measurement indication, circuit breakers, connections, generators, transformers, fuses on the circuit breakers, protection and the monitoring relays, switches, relays, contactors, units, and divers. Okay, these are the following types of protection in the ship instrument. One is EXD, that is flame proof enclosure. EXI, intrinsic safety. EXE, increased safety. EXN, non-sparking. EXP, pressurization safety. EXS, special protection. So whenever you plan an enclosure, make sure based on your application, whether it is internal or external, make sure whether it has the following types. Okay, now so when you get into the intrinsic safety application, we can categorize the areas into two. One is a hazardous area, another one is a non-hazardous area. Okay, but in the hazardous area, we should use the intrinsically safe equipments. Okay, whereas in the non-hazardous area, you can use intrinsic safety barriers along with the control room equipments. Okay, now as we told earlier, for a digital sensor, okay, in order to protect your digital sensor from harmness, you can use Zener diode. Okay, you can monitor with the help of this monitoring equipments. Okay, with the proper grounding in the non-hazardous area, you can install this sensor in the hazardous area, especially this digital sensors. Okay, now in the same way, okay, you can install a temperature monitoring analog sensor in the hazardous area, but make sure in the non-hazardous area you have the right voltage to make sure the equipment is running properly, and also you need to have a isolation barrier, because that isolation is going to protect your sensor from harmfulness, from hazards. Okay, now as we told earlier, so there are certain equipments which are especially designed to work in the hazardous areas with the intrinsically safety barriers, that is 4 to 20 milliamps two-wire transmitters, thermocouples, RTD, pressure, flow, level switches, smoke detectors, IP converters, solenoid valves, proximity switches, infrared temperature sensors, potentiometers, LED indicating lights, magnetic pickups. So when we get into the approval, country-wise it is different. We have specific standards and numbers for Australia. We have specific standard for Canada. We have specific standard for Europe, and we have specific standard for USA. These are the international IS approvals. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We have provided our contact details here. We, LNP Renewable System Integrator, we provide PLC programming training for Siemens, Allen Bradley, and Delta PLCs. If you are really interested to work in ship automation, building management system, building automation control system, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. If you had a plan to establish a solar DC lighting system in a place where EB power is not available, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. And you might have an agriculture farm. If you want to protect your crops from the animals, instead of going for electrical fencing, you can use solar fencing. We are providing solar fencing as a kit. We are also providing solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid, solar street light, solar pump services, design, installation, testing and commissioning, consultancy and training support. If you are really interested to learn the access control basics, and most importantly this electrical vehicle basics, then you can contact us. We are providing training on it. Thank you so much.